Well, it's been through the dishwasher once. Let's have a look. Still appears to be quite shiny. Still feels like it's got that Krylon coating on it. Doesn't look faded really at all. And I'll tell you what, it feels exactly the same. Definitely got a good snap to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put that one back in here. Let's try the next one. This one did not have a coating on it. This one actually feels softer, but I think it's actually just because, yeah, the spring is not, it's torn. I'm not sure how that happened. See that? It's like got a tear in it. Now, hopefully that wasn't caused by the dishwasher. It might have been caused by me pushing it in too hard. Because it wasn't going in the first try. Yeah. So that might be good. Let's try this one. This one definitely feels softer, actually. It too has that issue. So you know what that might be, actually? I bet if I run this through again, it'll fix it. Because I think it was pressed up against the spring. Yeah, that's the spike there that went between those two areas of the spring. That's what caused that. Because it got real hot with that shape, and this material, NinjaFlex, does have a bit of, hold it in position, heat it up, and it'll stay that way forever. So what I'm going to do is, there's two ways I can fix this. One, I could just unwrap it, turn it back right side out again, and then hit it with the heat gun for just a moment, and it should reshape itself. Or I could just shove it back in there again. But this time, being careful to put it on the right way. Yeah, like that. With the splines underneath the spring like that. That should fix the problem. Let's do that with this one as well. And this one didn't seem to be impacted at all. It feels exactly the same. And I think it's because on this one I have the spring, it's got a double thick wall. So it's got that snappiness despite being at a 45-degree angle. And that probably saved it from that particular problem. Because I had it on at an angle like this. Let's try. Oh yeah, just like that should do it. All right, I'll let that run through tomorrow night, and I will report back if any issues resulted. And these are really hot, so I'm not going to empty the dishwasher at the moment.